welcome back again for the next installment of Santa Ana. As you've seen, we've completed the officer quarters. Well, we're not completed it, but we are almost done with them. We need to just sand them, sand it and paint it and sand it and then paint it again so it's nice and smooth. And then we need to do the ornamentation on the windows here. Also, we, well, not we, but I did the, just turn it over, did the robin strakes on her. Well, I got started on them. So see, they kind of match up very nice, which is what you want. They're not done, obviously, as you can see on this side, but they're also not done on this side. There are some touch-ups and some sanding and stuff that we need to do. But basically from here it's just the continue with the dyed planks all the way down to the officer quarters, and then I'm gonna pre-bend some strips, so we go around and wrap it around the corner here, so we get a nice finish. So that's what we're gonna do. I've been sick, as you can probably hear. I'm not running or anything. I'm just I got a cold, so I'm really stuffed in my nose, and it's really hard for me to breathe. So I'm out of breath quite easily. But this is what I've been doing since the last time I made the last video. So continue with these. So these are probably done the next time you see the next video, and this is painted and done as well in the next video. You still need to paint it blue and then mask off, and then paint it gold, and also gold up here as well. So once that is done, we can continue with the doing the ornamentation here and build it up, because you need to build it up kind of like this, we have here in the transom, with smaller wood strips and stuff like that. We need to put the windows in around here, so you need to cut those and put them in. So I'm guessing that's something that we can continue on next week. I'm trying to maintain a regular upload on Fridays, but we'll see if I can continue to do that. But anyways, here she is for what we made this time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it, and please like and subscribe, and please share as well. Cheers, thank you, see you next time.